Hey guys, welcome to Programming in 5. Today we are starting chapter 0 and I'll show you how to set up Python and VS Code. Let's get started. Python is a simple beginner-friendly language that's easy to read and easy to learn. It's extremely popular because developers use it for automations, websites, data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. To download Python, go to python.org and click the Downloads button. You'll see options for different operating systems here. I'm on Windows, so I'll select that. As you scroll, you'll notice older, stable releases as well. You can choose any version you want, but we'll go with the latest one for simplicity. Just click on the newest release and you should be good to go. Now open the file we just downloaded. When the installer appears, you'll see a few options at the bottom. The admin privileges box is usually checked already. The important one is add Python to path, so make sure you enable it. This lets Windows recognize Python from anywhere, and without it, Python commands won't work properly. Once that's done, you're ready to continue. vscode is a simple and modern code editor made by Microsoft. It supports Python really well with features like IntelliSense, syntax highlighting, debugging, and a built-in terminal. It's free, easy to use, and one of the best choices for learning Python. On the VS Code homepage, click the download button on the top right. You'll see options for different operating systems. I'm on Windows, so I'll choose that. The installer starts downloading immediately and we're good to go. Locate your VS Code installer in your downloads folder or wherever you saved it and open it. When the setup window loads, you'll see the license agreement, so go ahead and accept it and click next. On the next screen, you'll see a few checkboxes. The important one is add to path, just like we enabled earlier for Python. This lets Windows recognize VS Code from anywhere. The others are optional, so enable them only if you want. I'll check the desktop icon here and we're ready to continue. To use Python inside VS Code, we need the Python extension. Move your mouse down the left sidebar until you find the extensions icon and click it. In the search bar at the top, type Python. The result is the official Python extension from Microsoft, and that's the one we want. Select it and then click install to enable Python support in VS Code. Let's run a program. I'll create a new file and name it main.py since Python files always end with .py. I'll paste a small program that asks for your name and prints a greeting. Don't worry if you don't understand it yet, we'll learn everything later. Now I'll right click the file and run it in the terminal. It opens at the bottom and the program starts right away. It asks for your input so you can type anything you like. I'll type ProgrammingInFive and after I press enter, you can see it prints a greeting back. Now, let's set up code formatting in VS Code so our Python files stay clean and consistent. To make that easier, we'll use a formatter called black, which automatically fixes spacing and structure for you. Open the extensions tab on the left and search for black formatter. This is one of the most commonly used Python formatters because it follows a strict and consistent style. The first result is the official one from Microsoft, and that's the one we need to install. Next, we need to set black as our default formatter. Open the settings from the bottom left gear icon and wait for the page to load. Now in the search bar, type default formatter. You should see the option appear in the list, and from here open the drop down and select black formatter, or if you don't see it, type in black formatter in the drop down and select it then. Now we'll enable automatic formatting. To do that, clear the search bar and look for format on save. This option tells VS Code to automatically clean up your code every time you save it. Just make sure it's enabled. Now your Python files will stay consistently formatted. Let's beautify the editor a bit. You can choose any theme you like, but if you want the one I'm using, follow along. Open the extensions tab and search for Ayu. The first result is the theme pack we want, so open it and install it. After it installs, click Set Color Theme and select this one. Then open the file icon theme options and choose the Ayu icon theme. Before we wrap up, here's one last option. If you prefer a lightweight editor that runs smoothly even on low-end devices, Sublime Text is a great choice. And if you want to download it, here's how you can do that. Since I'm on Windows, I'll download it using this button. For Mac or Linux, the download button is up here on the top bar. That finishes chapter 0. Next, we'll begin with Python basics and real coding. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.